Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And as always, it's the races. Always starts off with the races, guys, but there's a little gem I want to show you about how I use the races. Okay, so now I had to do a reboot. So you see the ATHX won 3 races according to this, but it actually won a lot more. I had to do a reboot of Trade Ideas, but you can see what happened. Here's where it's winning races. ATHX, it started at around $1.17 and it got up to $1.74. So a lot of people say, oh man, I miss this, I miss this, I miss this. No, you haven't necessarily missed it. All you have to do is follow it on the way down, okay? And then if it starts to move again, maybe put some kind of a buy in here, 158. You put your stop at 147 and see what happens. And in this, I'm not saying in every single case this is going to happen, but that is a way in which you can play the races. You don't, if you think you missed something at the beginning, just take a look at it, put a buy price in at a certain level, and look what happened. I mean, it went from, if you bought it at 156, it went all the way back up to 210, and which is a great percentage move. So. And now, who knows what's going to happen later on? Maybe this is another small pullback, and maybe it starts going again. So follow the hot ones all day long. All right, everybody, have a great weekend. I'll open the room 8 o'clock Monday morning. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.